Hello, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for popping over and staying with me. It's always a pleasure having your company. I'm going to do my saving challenges now. Do you know what? I'm so grateful. Today though, I'm going to stuff £85 because I've had things to do and very positive things. Knowing where my money has gone to, I do know exactly where it went, and I'm pleased about that. £85 is better than nothing. Even £5 is better than nothing. If you saved £5, if you only had £5 to save every week, save it, because you know what, you know exactly where it went. It's better than scratching your head and thinking, oh my goodness, I had £5 in my purse, where exactly did it go, what did I spend it on? Put it in a jar or something at home and see how it mounts up. It's amazing. That is why I'm saying I'm very grateful for the £85 still. So let's see, that's 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80 and £5 coins, 85. Have you noticed the binder's different? I'm not using my hot pink binder. I'm using this one and this one this week. Now, the hashtag BCL, which is the budgeting community link brought to us by the lovely Budgeting April. 4 ladies are chosen every week for us to go over and visit their channels, check out their videos, watch them if we want, comment, like, subscribe if we want, and more importantly, the playlist. If they have playlists, go into their playlist, choose a playlist and just let it run, because it will help build their watch time hours. Now, the hashtag BCL, it's round 2 this time. We had the round 1 and it was absolutely amazing, and this one, round 2, is going really, really well. I'm really happy with that. Oh, I love the hashtag BCL, I really do. Got to meet some really lovely budgeters, funny ones, lovely ideas, tips and tricks, and so much more. For this week will be Amethyst Budgets, Budget Life with Paula, Budget with Sin, and Unique Life. I will put their links in the description below, and their channel links as well. If they have any Etsy shops, it'd be nice for you to pop over and check out their Etsy shops as well. God, I just waffled on there, I really did. And I'm going to start with the luck of the draw. Let's get her out. And the cards. I call this one my mystery luck of the draw. I have to let you know, if you are new to my channel and you've never seen the luck of the draw before, every week I play this, and below £5 I put £5 in, because I don't want to use coins in this challenge. Above £5 I put 10, and the ace is 15, king, queen, jack is 20, and the joker is skip. Let's dig deep. 10 of hearts, that's not bad. 10 of hearts, so we will do £10. That's brilliant, and I'll just mark it off. Hearts, we've got another heart here, great. I'm going to do the holiday countdown, the 30 for 30. Just put that there. Colour it in. this colour. I'm not quite sure if I had coloured those in, but it doesn't matter. So that's 30. 2.5. I might have to get some change. Let's get some change. Let me do 2 10s. Do 2 10s. Or 4 5s. I'll do 1 2 3 4 5s. Put it in there. Great. Should I do 2 10s as well? Might as well. I've got 2 10s. Great, that one's done. And then the roll the dice. Purple today and orange. We've got roll the dice here. I've only got 2 boxes and they're just threes, number 3s. So what I'm going to do is colour 1, yeah, colour 1 3, that's 1 2 3, and we go again. Nothing. Shall I try again? Nothing.
Nothing. Nothing. Okay, I give up.
I'm going to use the orange one for this one. And this is the roll the dice, double the savings challenge. 6, so that would be £12. Lovely, that's what I like. That's what I like. £12 there. The higher the better. So we've got 15 for this week for the roll the dice and the double the savings. Done. So now we have the Contact Craze by Budgets in April, and I've just made some makeshift labels for the envelopes. Last week I accidentally coloured the bonus eye, which is £25, and I've marked it to let me know that it's not been completed. I can actually do the 25 today. I can do the 25 today, why not, and get that out of the way. So that's 10, 15, 20, 25, so the bonus has been done. So I'll just lighten that out so I know it's done. That's £25 for the Contact Craze. That's done. Good. And I just use washi tape to label it. Is there any point me using a Cricut for labels when I don't know how long I'm going to be using this challenge? So I just left it as that. Another way of using up the washi tape as well. And I did find an envelope, as you can see, to keep everything in. This is an A5 one, and it's got the pocket as well that you can slide the card in or whatever. And when it rains is £5. I'll do the clouds are £5 and the raindrops are £5. Let's do, I'm going to do a pink for the clouds. I'm going to start using up my colouring pencils, especially because these are not laminated, so the ones that's not laminated I'm going to use my colouring pencils on because it's going right through. So it rained on Thursday, see where I've marked it, so that's £5 for that. And again I used washi tape to label it, and I just wrote with my marker what challenge it is. Again, another way of using up my washi tapes, and I like it, you know, I just like the way it looks because I did it. Great envelope to keep them in. Happy with that. I wanted to ask you a question. You know, if you were providing a public service, say you were a beautician or a hair specialist or hairstylist, would you provide a service for your friends and family for free, or would you introduce a family and friends rate? Please let me know down in the comments what your thoughts are. On that note, I'm going to love you and leave you. Have yourself a beautiful weekend. It's gorgeous in London today. The weather is magnificent. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and also hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now. Bye bye.